Hello guys, this is Gold Star FX from XAUUSD Elite Trading Group, and today we are going to further continue our analysis of XAUUSD. So we'll first start with the history of what happened earlier. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so on Friday, if we begin, okay, Friday, see, we had fallen from this level, that is somewhere around like 2035 to almost 2000 level, okay, and we gave a closing somewhere around like 2015 or 2016 level roughly, okay. I had told you on my analysis which I made on Saturday that we cannot move up in a V shape like this. Okay, we have to if we have to move up, we have to consolidate. Okay, price has to do a consolidation and then we can move up, or it can further give retest this low of 2000 and then go up. There is a possibility. So that's what the price did. If you see the chart for today morning, I'll show you, so you'll understand. See here, see, our closing was on Friday somewhere around 2017 level, and we did a consolidation, okay, in early morning itself. See, can you see this range? I'll draw it more clearly. See, here we were making a consolidation, you see, and this was more, the bias was towards upside. How do I know the bias is on upside? Well, if you see that the selling was coming from a fixed point, whereas you see each time the low was the chart was making higher low. See here, 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 here. So it was making higher low, which was showing that the bears were getting weaker and the bulls were getting stronger. So we were expecting a breakout to happen, and sure enough, breakout did happen. Okay, so when the breakout did happen, we went to the level of 2024 level, and in my previous analysis video I told you that especially the 20 EMA line, which is the red one, will act as a resistance, and it surely did act as a resistance. As you can see here, see, it took a resistance and it came near 2020, but ironically we never gave a closing below the 2020 level on an hourly basis. Okay, you will see each time price came near 2020, buying was happening. Okay, so since we were not giving closings below 2020, so we started moving upwards. Okay, and one more point I wanted to show you is that, see, right now the trend is showing bullish. Okay, but the confirmation we'll get that the trend has again reversed to the upside is when price closes about 2030. It is not just enough that the EMA has given a crossover. We need price to close above this level of 2030. Okay, from where the selling had come. If you see here, we got a bearish crossover, but that was not enough. We wanted price to close below the critical level of 2030. Again, we are at the same critical level. If we close about 2030 with this bullish EMA crossover, then again the charts will become bullish, and if we sustain about 2030, then our next target should be 2048, and if we close about 2048, then our next target should be 2073, and finally if we stay about 2073, then we will test the newly made lifetime high of 2080 level. Okay, but all this, you see, there is a caveat attached to all of this. That is, on Wednesday there is going to be the CPI inflation data. Okay, so if the CPI inflation data is above expectation, okay, no amount of chart is going to help you. You see this crash. Okay, this happened because of the employment rate coming lower than expectation. You see this. Okay, so even if the chart becomes bullish, and let's say tomorrow if we go to even 2048 level, if the data on Wednesday comes negative, again we can come down like this. Okay, and we can retest the levels of 2000. Okay, so tomorrow you do not need to worry because there is no major data coming tomorrow. It is only day after tomorrow that you need to be worried about. Okay, and yeah, that's all I want to say. And if one more point I want to add, if price does retrace towards 2020 level, okay, look for buying once again, I'll say. Okay, all right, then that's all I wanted to say, and thank you so much. and let me know your if you have any feedback. Do like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you once again. Oh, by the way, I wanted to show one more thing. uh, the calendar I wanted to show for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, if you see, like I said, there's no major data coming tomorrow, okay, which can severely impact the gold chart. Okay, one data I missed, that is the EIA short term energy outlook. This data, we can consider as a very important data, okay. But other than that, don't see any important data for tomorrow, okay. So